Did you know your daily coffee habit could cost you almost $1 million? I'm not joking. Let me show you the math. Most people buy coffee every day without thinking. $3, $4, maybe $5. It feels small, but small habits grow quietly. $5 a day is $150 a month. That's $1,825 every year, just for coffee. Now, the interesting part, if you invested that same $150 a month at an 8% return, after 10 years, you'd have around $27,000. After 20 years, about $89,000. After 30 years, roughly $300,000. And after 40 years, almost $760,000. And remember, coffee prices go up almost every year. What costs $4 or $5 today might cost $6 or $7 in 10 or 20 years. If your daily coffee rises to $6 or $7, your long-term cost grows even more. At $7 a day, invested for 40 years, the total pushes close to $1 million. $1 million, all from a simple daily habit. You don't need to stop drinking coffee. You just need to understand what your habits are really costing you. Small choices quietly shape your future. So the next time you grab that daily coffee, remember this: you're not just buying caffeine, you're trading a small piece of your future wealth. One sip today could mean one less step toward financial freedom tomorrow. And if you want someone to walk with you on your financial journey, subscribe to Quiet Millionaire. Together, we'll grow your wealth, one simple choice at a time.